Good day everyone, nandito tayo ngayon sa Alfonso, Cavite to feature this farm house with garden and with fruit bearing trees. Alright, so guys, so this property with a total land area of 6,800 square meters. You've got nice frontage of about mga 60 meters frontage. So this property is enclosed with fence, no? Meron siyang fence, and this property is titled. So mayroon kayo ditong mangga, may coconut, may buko, mayroon kayong avocado, and right now nandito tayo ngayon sa farm, which is itong mayroon siyang mga wow, ang daming mga eggplant, no? Look at that eggplant right here guys, ang dami. So ito yung kasama dito sa property na to. So ngayon meron siyang garden ng mga siling presko, may gabi, may mangga, and meron ka pa dito mga poultry area, no? Meron siya yung babuyan, meron kayong mga pabo, may manok, may pato, and doon sa sideline nandun yung kanilang mga manukan. So ayan, so mga manok siguro mga 30 na manok, may pabo kang 8, and meron kang baboy. And anyway, so this property is a rolling terrain, no? Ang location nito from Tagaytay papunta dito sa property na to, it's around 10 minutes or 15 minutes drive. So maganda dito ang lettuce-sphere. So napakaganda kasi tingnan mo naman, no? Na-cultivate nila. And right now, mayroon silang mga tanim ng guyabano, may tanim ng mga kalamansi, and may tanim ng mga papaya and tomato. Alright, so this property is selling in the market for 5,000 pesos per square meters. So if you are interested na to buy a farmland dito sa Alfonso, Cavite, so with existing biotic area, look at that, and with existing house, with poultry, and with beautiful frontage, so guys, you can consider this one. So the seller is alive. So if you are interested, no, you can talk to the seller directly, or you can make a letter of intent to buy the property, or you can request a advance copy of the title for your due diligence. And again, no, this property is facing southwest. So napakaganda din kasi malamig dito sa area na ito guys. Okay, so once again, my name is Ray, and I hope to see you in our next video. Thank you very much, and thank you for listening to me today. God bless everybody.